Coney dogs, as they call it. Get a look at that. Ooh-wee. What's up, Fly Squad? Today we gonna go to Detroit, Coney Island, Palm Harbor, Florida. So we're going in, baby. It's Christmas time. What's going on, JB?
That's what I'm talking about. My man live with it, boy.
Yes, sir.
Detroit. What's up? What's up, brother?
How you doing
All
today?
right, man. We got it enough for y'all.
All right. You get to going. Hello. There you go, red pop. Yeah, we about to throw down up in here. Detroit, Coney Island, Palm Harbor, Florida. Let y'all know how they getting down. Stay tuned. What's up, bro? Huh? Yeah. So that's how we doing it, man. Detroit, Coney Island style. You know? Go blue. Red beans.
Like this place?
Yeah, I do.
Are you from
I'm from West Side, right off of Southwood Freeway and Joy Road. Y'all have a happy holiday?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, it's very good. Very good. Nice memorabilia, nice and place. Landmarks. That's how we get down, baby. This famous Joe Louis Fist in downtown Detroit. Detroit Tigers. World Series, baby. And we back in the house. Got my boy Jay Biz. What's up?
What's
You know what I'm saying? Got Jay the Traveler.
That great pop right here.
You know what it is.
They call it soda down here, but it's great. Detroit.
The way you ordered your red pop.
Yeah. Yeah, so we back at the table. Got my red pop. There you go, baby. You know it. Yeah.
That's a poem.
Only the best.
Should have got it in slow motion.
I want 2 cheese fries.
Okay, liquid cheese or shredded?
Shredded.
Okay.
And I also want 2 Coney dogs. Everything on the way.
Thank you.
This is what you've been waiting for. Chili cheese fries. Coney dogs, as they call it. Get a look at that. Ooh-wee. Let me show y'all how this is supposed to be eaten. Got my red pop again. Get that Fago. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Coney dog. You know it's a real Coney Island hot dog from Detroit. When you take your first bite out of it, it pops. The hot dog makes a popping sound. 2 kinds, Lafayette and National Coney. Those were the 2 first Coney Islands, and they started in Detroit, Michigan. What set them apart was one of them used to fry their hot dogs in grease, and the other ones just cook it on the grill. But either way, baby, you eating good. And just to mention one other thing to you, it's an official Coney dog also when it has onions, chili, and mustard. That's all the way right there, baby. Yes, Lord. Okay. Now for the chili cheese fries.
Are you guys doing good?
Excellent. Very well. We're going to get that ketchup right over there like that and just hit it with it. That's how you want to do that right there. Then you grab your knife.
Put the signature on there.
Oh yeah. Tell him again. My boy Jay the Traveler in the house, baby. He going in too. You know what I'm saying? He got that Coney Island special chili cheese. This you got the squeeze though. Squeeze cheese, baby.
If you want it real authentic, don't get that liquid cheese. Get the shredded cheese on there. Tastes a little bit better.
All right. Yeah. So yeah,
We trying that liquid cheese this time.
we're going in, baby. Show you how it's done. Yeah, it's top shelf every time. Look at that. Oh yeah, top shelf, baby. Oh yeah. Just wanted to give y'all a little background on this right here. This is the chili cheese fries with the special Coney Island chili sauce. You can only buy it in Detroit. You will see chili cheese fries all over the United States. I tried chili cheese fries all over the United States. I tried Pink's, I tried Nathan's, I tried Checkers, they got a brand. I tried Sonic. Man, let me tell you, you gotta get the national chili from Coney Island, Detroit. This is the best chili cheese fries you're gonna ever taste, I guarantee it.
And don't get that whipped chili from Walmart. Don't get that whipped chili. Don't think that's the best.
National Coney Island chili
Right.
sauce. That's what you want, baby. All right, y'all, just leaving Detroit, Coney Island. Man, it was on point, let me tell you. Don't forget, Detroit, Coney Island, Palm Harbor, Florida. Got the best chili dogs, chili cheese fries. They got it all, man. Check them out. We'll check y'all on the next one.